Hey everybody. So, as promised, we're going to do a story time today. I'm going to go through some of this nail art stuff that I got, and we're going to talk about what happened with Modelones, why I have a bit of a grudge with them. I still buy their products if it's good product, but I do not buy directly from their website for this reason, and let me explain why. And I'm going to show you some of my cool nail art stuff while we do this. So, last year, right after quarantine started, I got my tax return and I had decided I was going to do nails. And Modelones website was having a huge sale, which they have all the time. There was like free gifts and 50% off, and it was crazy. So I ordered a couple of different kits. I ordered some different nail art stuff. I ordered about $80 worth of stuff altogether. Ooh, I got these. They're little gold and silver pieces with moons and things. I waited about a month and a half. Messaging customer service, getting a, just wait for shipping, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, so finally I was like, you know what? I want to cancel my order. And I finally got a direct, pointed response back that said, oh, one of the $1 items, the free gifts that was in your order, has been out of stock. That's why your order hasn't been sent. And I'm like, okay, so what? At this point, it was almost 2 months. They were like, well, we can either refund you the money and leave it off of your order, or you can wait. And I'm like, I don't even want the money back. Just take it off of my order and send me the rest, These are cute. So they did that, and I waited about 3 more weeks before it finally got here. There's some mermaid glitter. I waited about 3 more weeks before it finally got there, right? So Lavender Violets is like such good gel polish. Just a base and top coat set. So when it finally gets here, half my order is wrong. Instead of the poly gel that I ordered, they sent me gel paint. This stuff for, nail art, just the gel paint, which is not what I ordered. I ordered a set of poly gel, and they were like, well, it's the same thing. I'm like, no, it isn't. So these are really nice brushes. I like these. I love these handles. I'm goofy. Got some tape. Anyway, back to the story. So after arguing with them for about 3 days, I didn't even want my money back. I just wanted what I ordered. I wanted to return the stuff that I had and get the right stuff. They argued with me for so long. I finally went and left a review on their Facebook page. That's when I finally got, okay, we'll give you some of your money back. They wouldn't even send me the right stuff. They just gave me some of my money back. I finally got some of it back, and then when I went to update my review to say that, we had worked it out and, customer service dealt with my problem, come to find out, I had been blocked. I could still see their ads. I could still see their ads, and I could share their ads, but I couldn't like or leave reactions or comment. These are some cool stamps I got. Oh, and some foils, butterflies, flowers. Oh, there's more in here. Hang on. Butterflies, flowers, all this good stuff. These are really cute. I love polka dots. Anyway, and the stamping kit. Anyway, so my review was taken down. They blocked me from every comment on every ad. This is that rose quartz Born Pretty gel polish set that I use for the rose quartz stuff. Little mini lamp here. It's just a little travel USB lamp. Let me show you. So ever since then, I have kind of an issue with any reviews that I see on their Facebook or social media, because I know what they do. I know how they remove things that they don't find beneficial to them. And that's just their, their social media department. So I don't know if that's like a company thing, or if that's just, how they are. Or if that's just how their social media is. So I'm not real sure who to be mad at about that. But And to be fair, I didn't put anything in my review that didn't absolutely 100% happen, but, you know, they didn't like it. So I got some cool full cover tips here. Real quick, the reason I'm showing you all this is the surprise nail art gift bag that I'm giving out, and this is the secret code word giveaway. So if you watch this long, my safe word is pineapple juice, and the first person to comment pineapple juice in the comments, I will be sending you all of this stuff as a prize. Why not? It's got pretty much everything you could need here. Some gel polish, base coat, top coat, full cover tips. These are not the ones you'll be getting. The ones you'll be getting are nude, and they'll be here in the morning, but I kind of wanted to show what I was going to be doing. Anyway, so if you've made it this long, congratulations in my weirdo story. So anyway, I was blocked across the board. So I don't order from their website anymore. I do still order their products if they're decent from Amazon, just because Amazon has some guarantee, you know, as much as I hate to give Amazon my money. Anyway, I recently commented something on iGel's page about, I asked a question about one of their glitters they were using, and I was like, is it supposed to do that? And they blocked me as well, and I'm like, wow, like how many of these companies are only allowing good comments to get through? So how can you really trust what you're seeing on social media? You know what I mean? Anyway, so I needed to do the story time so I could do this and show, you know, the stuff that I'm sending. So first person to comment pineapple juice in the comments, I will, once we have a winner, I will lock the comments. So if you see the comments are locked, we already have a winner, and I will leave my email address in the description. So whoever the winner is, I will comment to let you know, and then you can email me. Yeah, so that was kind of confusing, but fun. Anyway, you guys have been awesome. And the reason I did this today is because today, one of my videos topped 1,000 views, and I was super excited, so I bumped up the thing, and added a bunch of extra stuff to it. So, and that's because of you guys for hanging out and watching. Even though I don't know what I'm doing half the time, you guys still support me, and I really, really appreciate it. So it means a lot to me. I'm going to be doing another big giveaway at 250 subscribers, and we are at 220 already. So that should be, you know, within the next few weeks, right? Anyway, thank you as always for watching. I really appreciate you guys and all your support. And if I can do anything, or you have any questions or anything that you want to see, please let me know. Thank you.